to really something different. Wow, I just love it. Today I'm going to do something really very different which you usually can't get to see because I'm living in a village, so I can do something different which usually you can't get to see in the urban life. So let me take you to the tour of my farm and show you detail of some things and how we grow vegetables and which kind of vegetables we grow and how we eat our food differently than you people. So let's take a look. Okay, so today I'm going to show you two things which you can make anywhere, anytime, and without fire and need just few ingredients. So now let me tell you what we are going to make today. Okay, so right now I'm making masala chana dal, which is very easy and you can make in just 2 minutes. Here I have masala chana dal or gram lentils with some spices. It is fried snack which is usually available in most of the groceries, Indian grocery stores. Have some fresh coriander leaves, half onion, lemon and one tomato. So now let me show you how to combine all these things. Okay, so first of all I'm going to finely chop this onion, half red onion. Okay, so it is done. Now I'm going to chop some fresh coriander leaves. Okay, now I'm going to chop tomato. It is a totally different kind of tomato which is usually getting in India. It is called desi tomato or non-hybrid tomato, which is little sour in taste as compared to the hybrid tomatoes. It is really very good in taste and has lots of flavors. Okay, so all the things are ready. So now I'm going to put the tomatoes in, then onion, little bit of lime juice, lots of fresh coriander leaves. Okay, so this is ready. Just mix it well before serving and you can add lemon according to the taste. And now I'm going to make our second dish. For that I'm going to take half of the onion, one tomato, and here I have 2 packets of chana which we call chana jor garam, and it is usually available at all the places in entire India because people love it. It is black grams, pressed black grams, and has some spices and salt in it. So now I'm going to take this out in a plate. You can see exactly what it is. It is very crispy and very flavorful. Now first of all I'm going to chop onion for it. It is one of the most popular street food in India. You can find mostly in the western India side and north India side also. In Gujarat and Maharashtra, we people love to have this very often. It's a pastime food and you can make it in picnic or any function, and your kids can also make it because It's required no fire, so that's very good dish and require no time. So that is really a good thing about this. I'm going to chop some cilantro or parsley. Okay, so as we did earlier, now I'm going to put tomatoes in it, finely chopped onions, some coriander leaves on top, and lots of lemon juice. Okay, so now give it a nice mix. Look at that. It is so easy and tempting. Okay, so same way I'm going to mix our dal. So see, within few minutes our two delicious Indian street foods are ready. Okay, so let me give it a try to masala chana dal. I like the crispness of chana dal and punch of red chili powder in it, and this desi tomato and the onion makes it really very interesting, and it has lots of contrast in the dish. Now let me give it a try to chana masala or chana jo garam. Uh, it is also called dabela chana in Gujarati, which means nothing but this pressed black grams. Both things are really very interesting in taste, but I personally like masala chana dal very much because it has a different taste and texture in it, and the crispiness of it is really interesting. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would really help me to make such kind of more and more videos for you guys.